Many people wonder if they found themselves in the unfortunate circumstance where they got pulled over after having consumed alcohol, which is better, to take a breath test or a blood test. The advantage of a breath test is that if you've consumed something other than alcohol, such as marijuana or cocaine, a drug, that a breath test will not show drugs in your system because the breathalyzer only tests for alcohol. Now, if you're under the influence of something and it's not alcohol, and an officer administers a breath test and you come up 0-0, but it's obvious that you're under the influence of something, it's reasonable to assume that the law enforcement agency might seek thereafter to request blood from you. So it's not foolproof. The downside with a breathalyzer is that you don't have any preservation of evidence, so you can't retest it. With a blood test, law enforcement agents are required to preserve your blood so that you can then seek to retest it. And I would suggest if you get pulled over and you feel that you're not under the influence, that you may have had a glass of wine with dinner, very little alcohol, and you don't trust the law enforcement agency, to do a blood test so then you can seek to preserve and have the blood retested. Additionally, if you take a breathalyzer test and you come up 0.08 or higher, you're going to get immediate notice of the suspension of your driver's license. Whereas if you take a blood test, it may take several months before it's tested by the law enforcement agency. So it does have the effect of delaying any type of license suspension until the blood results come back. If you've been arrested in Nevada, call my legal team for a free consultation at 702-DEFENSE. Our experienced attorneys at the Las Vegas Defense Group will do everything to try to get your charges reduced or dismissed.